Oh yeah, baby, it's time once again for another episode of This Old Outboard.
Back on the Johnson 70 horse, baby. Hold this thing out of the water so I can get these damn bolts out. Boy, I'm gonna tell you, it's a freaking miracle. It's coming out. Throw a little heat on it, little WD, little heat, little WD. Well, we got it out. Just fell right out forward. And hopefully these screws are just gonna come right out and replace the motor, put this thing back together, be home by lunch. It's out. Thank the outboard gods. About an hour this morning. Like I said, sprayed it down with some PB yesterday before we left. Captain Mark helping me out. And let it soak overnight and just beat it up this morning on that kingpin. Let me get that thing. So it actually looks pretty good considering. I mean, it's a little beat up on the ends where we beat it up. And I took that file and tried to file the mushroom off. And if you didn't hit it smack in the middle, you know, you were just mushrooming it again. So I'm gonna have to file these ends down smooth and a little rust here. Clean it up, it should slide right back in. Hopefully knock these little screws out. Like I said before, why on earth would they put Phillips head screws in there? I guarantee if they come right out with a screwdriver, I'll be amazed. My biggest problem is, you know, breaking this stuff. That was, you know, taking this thing out. I said, man, if we can't break anything, you know. Yeah. I knew this was going to happen. They weren't just going to come out by hand, but you never know. You never know. I think probably put the vice grips on them, give them a little twist, get them out. But tell you what too, man, yesterday 5 hours roughly down there twisting bolts out. You can see where I drilled that one out. That's where the drill went down, missed it, and I had to come back in, hit it again. And boy, I was feeling it this morning, man. I was feeling it. Yeah, let me get a little, maybe I can just tap it with this screwdriver here. Looked like it turned a little bit. That was just a they're coming. Oh, busted right off. So it wasn't unscrewing, it was slowly breaking off. You can see Corrosion City. Fragga, schmigga, fragga, schmagga, frigga. Here we go, baby. Another frickin' day ahead of me. Try not to hit the motor. Well, a little bit of a disaster, but the good thing is I've got those nubs hanging out and I should be able to work them out. It's just another, 3 hours of beating heat. I knew this from the beginning, and in the back of my mind I kept saying should just cut them things off. So usually, you got a nub like that hanging out. You can beat the hell out of that and twist it out. Well, twisted it right off. Can you believe that? Twisted it right off. Should I even attempt to get these other two out, or just drill the whole friggin' thing out and get it over with? This one here, I don't think there's enough on there to even try to grab onto. I'm not even going to screw around with it. Yep, see, nothing happened. Nothing. Just grinding it off. It really would be nice to have one that frickin' came out. Alright, get some drill bits and crap. I don't want to hear nothing about no friggin' easy outs either. If it was easy out, I'd be using it. Damn, man, did that thing break off in there? I think it did. Yep, I'm screwed. Oh, man. Yeah, I broke that one off. The bit broke off in there. My fault. I gave it one little push too hard. My other worst nightmare. That's like trying to get an easy out when they break off like they always do, because they are not easy out. Not on this kind of stuff. There's no corrosion like Florida corrosion. I don't give a poop what anybody says. So now I gotta try to crack that damn bit out of there. Man, I tell you, I don't deserve this. Well, I can't get that broken drill bit out. So these two came out fine. I got to tap them. Anyway, this one here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn this around a little bit. This one here, that bit is right in the middle. And no matter what I put in there, you can hear it going click, 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 click. And I can't break the bit up. I can't get around it. You know, went smaller, went bigger, and it's just turning into an absolute disaster. I'm thinking the only thing I can do at this point is, let me line this up, make sure I'm looking good here. That looks good. That looks good. Well, I'm right on here too, man. I mean, God bless America. But I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'll drill a hole off to the side. You see the line right there, and tap it out. And when I put this on, screw the bolt down with the, you know, some type of a little clamp to hold this corner down. And I think it should be fine. These two over here would probably hold it, but what the hell, right? Alright, so there it is. Took the vacuum, sucked up all the crap, and got to tap these out. And yesterday, right over my head, Captain Mark had offered me his driver, what do you call it, the impact driver. And it went right over my head. I thought he was talking about his impact gun that we were previously using, and can't believe a drill bit broke off in there. But like I was saying, he had offered me that damn impact driver, and man, it just went right over my head thinking he said impact gun, and I'm like, you know, because we were using it down there on the bolts to try to get this one, that last one out that got stripped. So, and you know, I've been through a few impact drivers in my day, and I still have one somewhere, and the damn thing is stuck. You can't open it, move it around from beating the hell out of screws with it. So it may have worked, it may not have worked. There's no, guarantee. I'm going to change all the oil in it and all that stuff too. So I got one started here. I think I'm in straight. I need to get a depth. Pain in the butt, man. I can't see over there. Is it straight? Let's see. No, it's not straight. Damn it. Why didn't you tell me straight? This is leaning. Oh. Come on out of there, Sharpie. That was the reason the bit broke, because I was hitting the drill on here and I pushed on this to try to push it over and keep this thing straight, and when I did that it went tink, and I was like, God bless the Americas. Yeah, it's a little off. I gotta straighten around here, but it's just like too, you break it easy out off, man, you have to chip that thing out. You can't drill a drill bit. And these things too, same thing, man. They're so brittle, but you can't drill them out. I've never been able to. All right, baby, they tapped. Look pretty good. See if I can find some bolts, or a bolt to fit in there and go down, match it up, and should be good to go. Picked up these stainless steel bolts, and my problem next, the holes in this motor, bigger than the other holes in the other older motor. It's just right at my screw width, and they need to be rasped out a little bit. I don't want to put a drill in there and chew them up, so I need to kind of just rasp them out so I got a good fit. Then I need to come up with the idea on this corner. I could go with just these two bolts, probably going to hold it down. Then I was thinking I'll drill this out, put a bolt in here, It's only going to go in at just a short distance, because I don't want to block any of the oil in there, you know, doing its thing. And then I was going to just put a little cross member on it and, you know, bolt it down. I can get through halfway on one side, and alright, slow down, baby. Hey, this is going to be the pain in the ass part on this side. Ooh, not bad. Let's see here. And nice, man, nice tight fit, nothing, you know, there's no wiggle jiggle room. So I just went around this ridge with a little wire brush and didn't touch anything. And this is corrosion in here, just a slight amount of corrosion. And I'm running with the old O-ring and a little bit of silicone RTV on it, and just want to get this cleaned out. Even if I had a new O-ring, it's still going to get this cleaned out of here. And rinsed it out, and I'm not using any harsh chemicals on it, just rinsed it with some WD. But you can see that's frickin' corrosion. So I got my silicone on in here. I just want it in there where the O-ring's going, and put a layer on here before I put the O-ring back on. It's real thin, you know, you don't have to go crazy with this stuff, just real thin. Get it in there, baby, on. And I'll let it sit up for a minute. And back together. Now I'm not going to go stupid on these damn bolts. Just want them snuggly wuggly. Put the extra washer on, which I probably didn't need it. Just a flatty, but it ain't gonna hurt. Yep, that's perfect. I'm just a tad higher on this than I am on that nut, so it's not perfectly level. So it should be good as far as putting pressure on it. Yeah, baby. That ain't going nowhere. Yep, perfect. Just a hair higher, giving it that edge. Hold that puppy down. And yeah, it's good. It's good to go. Get the bad. Oh no! Oh no! I forgot to put the friggin' filter in. Man, I can't believe I forgot to put that dang filter in there. But it's the real life saga, baby. That's the crap that happens. Yeah. Lose your concentration, tired, whatever. Stupid stuff. Alright, I'm gonna get this smoothed out a little bit where it's a little mushroomed from beating the hell out of it. And everything was fine on there. It happened so fast. Pull it right back off. Bing, bang, boom. Silicone was fine. Yeah, beat her up pretty good. That should be good. Alright. It's back in. And I'm shocked the sun is even shining today. I should have went commando. Holy macaroni. It's hot. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, gotta get this kingpin in. And so far looking good. The biggest problem is the stupid piece of junk switch that I bought for $5 isn't working already. This guy right here, just a cheapo is what we've been throwing in there, and it already doesn't work. It's only working on one way up, not down. But if you hot wire it, everything else is fine. So that other cheapo switch I had in here lasted a long time. Anyway, I poured some fluid in it back at the house, and I said, let me get it down here, put it on, ding dang a ding dong, and go from there. I'm just off a little bit up there from a pin to go in, and then we'll bleed this thing out a couple times and see what happens. Alright, again, raining all day. Frickin' crap out in the Gulf, trying to be a hurricane. Anyway, I've got a break in the clouds and the rain. I'm gonna run down to the lake, and I've got these switches I picked up at Skycraft. I don't know if anybody knows about Skycraft. Anyway, they're momentary push button waterproof switches, and $3.50 a piece, can't beat that. Run down there to the lake and put these on the boat for the tilt and trim. One is for up, one is for down, and get that crap out of the way so I don't have to mess with it tomorrow. And then that's it, man. You can push that bad boy back in the lake, baby. Well, I need a pigtail, and it seems like there's always one laying around, and I keep putting it somewhere going, I'm gonna need that. And I don't know exactly where I put it as usual, but I got enough junk I can make one real quickly. So that's it right there. This will be up, this will be down. Up. Nice. Alright, let's see if I can get out of this wet grass with these ball tires.
Oh yeah, baby, you know the channel.